Hi viewers, welcome to mycpatraining.com. Monowar Shipon here. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can make a advanced mega menu for Elementor WordPress web design. If you follow this tutorial, you can make these kinds of mega menu with Elementor for your WordPress web design. Even you can make it better. I just made a demo menu to show you, and in this tutorial I will show you step by step how you can make a mega menu, advanced mega menu like this one. Okay, let's start. First step, you have to install some plugins. You have to install 3 plugins. You have to go to plugins and you have to install Elementor and you have to install Elementor Pro. Obviously you have to purchase this plugin, and our mega menu plugin is free. Clever mega menu for Elementor. You have to install this plugin. Just go to plugins, add new and search with clever mega menu. You will get this plugin. I am showing you add new. If I search here clever mega menu, this one clever mega menu for Elementor, you have to install this plugin and you have to active this plugin. Okay, and second step is you have to make a template. Just go to template and click on theme builder. We need a header template, that's why we have to click here header, and from here you have to click here add new header, or you can click here add new. Even you can import templates with images. Okay, I am clicking here add new header, and from here you have to select header. Of course you have to give a template name. Suppose I am giving template name Vaishipon, Vaishipon, one of my YouTube channel name, Bengali YouTube channel. Create template. You can give any name, and from here we need pre-made header blocks. You can choose any one. Suppose I am taking this one, insert, and done. Even you can make a header yourself like this way. Just take row and you can use these elements and you can make a header yourself. Okay, I am not showing this type of job right now. I am showing how you can make a advanced mega menu easily. And here this one is site logo, but sometimes site logo will not work for a theme or plugins. Sometimes themes and plugins conflicting with each other. We can fix it right this way. Just remove this, delete, and I am replacing it with a image. Okay, making a custom size, suppose, and I am inserting an image here. Suppose this one, we can make it smaller, publish. And now you have to add condition where you want to show this menu, advanced menu. Just click here add condition, and from here select entire site and save and close. Now if we select nav menu, see here is showing the main menu. Let me show you. I have created only one menu, main menu. If I go to dashboard, appearance, menus, here is showing only main menu, which is created by me as a primary menu. Now third step is we have to create a mega menu. Suppose I am deselecting this one, primary menu and save menu. Now we will create a mega menu. Go here mega menu. If you click here mega menu, this settings comes from clever mega menu plugin. Suppose let me show you. If you click on menu skins, you can get a skin by default. If you click on edit button, you can change all kinds of menu settings from here. General settings, menu bar settings, flyout panel, mega panel, mobile panel, custom. Okay, now we will make a mega menu. If I click here mega menu, create a navigation menu. I am clicking here for creating a mega menu. You have to give here a name. Suppose I am giving here name mega menu. You can give any name. Suppose 777. Create menu, and I am selecting here primary menu, and don't forget to select this one, clever mega menu for Elementor settings. Okay, and here is default menu skin selected. save menu. Now we have to create some menus. Suppose if I click on pages, view all, I am taking from here home, suppose store, store list, about, suppose I am deleting this one, remove, and I will make some mega menu, custom links. Suppose first one is contact, and second one is about us. In this way you can make a lot of advanced mega menu. I am showing you with these two menu, about us, add to menu, and if I click on save menu, see here is showing mega menu option. You can change it from here. Now fourth step is you have to go to templates and theme builder, and you have to edit your header theme. Click on edit button, click on edit with Elementor. Now select this option, nav menu, and now you will get this option here, mega menu, which is created by you. I am selecting this one and update. Now if I refresh our website, see here is showing menu which is created by us. Now we will make it mega menu. Let me show you. Exit to dashboard, and the fifth step is we have to create menu settings, appearance, menus, and our mega menu is selected here. Suppose I am giving this item here, contact, save menu. First time let me show you with contact option. If I click here, you will get this interface. From here you have to click this settings icon, and see here is the mega menu settings. For contact option you can hide title, mega menu, you have to enable this option, mega menu. See here is mega menu settings. You can do disable link, hide on mobile, you can hide this option on mobile, hide sub on mobile. You can do these settings. For contact option, icon, from here you can select icon. I am not selecting any icon right now. Show badge, you can select this one or you can deselect this one. Mega panel settings, you can do mega panel settings from here. You can control width from here, and you can do advanced settings. You can set custom CSS here. Okay, now you can make contact mega menu by yourself, just clicking here, taking a row, and you can use elements from here. I am designing with pre-made design, that's why I am clicking here. And if I go to blocks, if I select here contact, and you will get a lot of pre-made, beautiful pre-made contact option, contact blocks from here. You can use it for your website. Suppose I like this one, insert, and done. Now if I click on update, and if I refresh my site, see, done. Now you can do settings for this one. Let me show you. Suppose I want to decrease this height, this height. Okay, if I go to advanced, and if I decrease from here, top padding, and done. Update. Now if I refresh the site, and done. And now you can edit this text, you can change this email address, replace it with your email address. You can change address, and even you can social media account settings from here. Even you can add a new item, and you can do settings from option, action after submit, email. You can do email settings from here, and there are a lot of settings option you can do from here. Suppose a button, you want to change the button from here. See, if you go to style, you can change button color. Just I am showing you. Okay, update. Now if I do refresh for my site, and done. And in this way you can make your website looks better and better. Okay, now let me show you about us menu. If I click here and go to exit to dashboard, and for this procedure you have to go to appearance, menus. Suppose we want to make it mega menu, about us. I am clicking here and you have to click here. You know very well about these options. Enable mega menu, and if I click here blocks, we have to select here about option, and you will get a lot of about pre-made blocks from here. Suppose I like this one, insert, publish, and if I refresh my site and done. Okay, I want to decrease this height, advance, and done, publish. If I refresh my site and done. Now we can change any elements from here, suppose images, text, and we can add more elements here from this elements option. Okay, now I think you know very well how you can make advanced mega menu with clever mega menu and Elementor. Finally, if you like my tutorials, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.